Question number 9. The following table gives the weekly wages in rupees of workers in effect. Weekly wages that is class interval 50 to 55, 55 to 60, 60 to 65, 65 to 70, 70 to 75, 75 to 80, 80 to 85, 85 to 90. Number of workers, frequency 5, 20, 10, 10, 9, 6, 12 and 8. Sum of frequency, that is 8 plus 2 10, 16 plus 9 25 plus 5 30, 3 plus 1 4, 5 6 7 8. Sum of frequency is equal to 80, and mid value, that is xi, (50 plus 55 upon 2), that is equal to 52.5, then 57.5, 62.5, 67.5, 72.5, 77.5, 82.5 and 87.5. Fi into xi. 5 5s are 25, 5 2s are 10 plus 2 12, 1 carry, 5 5s are 25 plus 1, that is equal to 26, and 5 2s are 10, 7 2s are 14 plus 1 15, 2 5s are 10 plus 1 11, and 10 multiplied by 62.5, that is equal to 625.0. 10 multiplied by 76.5, 67.5, that is 675.0. 9 multiplied by 72.5, 72.5 multiplied by 9 equal to 9 5s are 45, 4 carry, 9 2s are 18 plus 4 22, 2 carry, 9 7s are 63 plus 2 65, 652.5. 6 multiplied by 77.5, 6 5s are 30, 3 carry, 6 7s are 42, 45, 4 carry, 6 7s are 42, 46, 465.0. 12 multiplied by 82.5 into 12. 12 5s are 60, 12 2s are 24 plus 6 30, 3 carry, 12 8s are 96, 99, that is 990, and 87.5 multiplied by 8. 8 5s are 40, 4 carry, 8 7s are 56, 60, 6 carry, 8 8s are 64 plus 6 70, that is 700. And sum of Fixi is equal to 5 plus 5 10, 1 carry. 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 5 8, 8 plus 5 13, 13 plus 2 15 plus 5 20. 2 carry. 2 plus 6 8 plus 5 13 plus 2 15 plus 7 22 plus 5 27 plus 6 33 plus 9 42. 2 4 carry. 4 plus 2 6 plus 1 7 plus 6 13 plus 6 19 plus 6 25 plus 4 29 plus 9 38 plus 7, that is equal to 45. 4 carry. 4 plus 1 5. Calculate the mean. First, mean is equal to summation fi xi upon summation fi, which implies 5 5 2 0 upon sum of frequencies 80 0 0 is cancelled and 552 divided by 8, 8 6 are 48, 72, 8 9s are 72. So mean equal to 69. Answer. Now cumulative frequency is equal to 5 plus 20 25 35 plus 10 45 plus 9 54 plus 6 60 72 plus 8 equal to 80. Second model class mark. Model class. (20) is maximum in class marks is 55 to 60. Answer. The number of workers getting weekly wages below rupees 80. Below rupees 80 equal to, that is 75 to 80 below, and cumulative frequency corresponding value is equal to 60. Answer. Fourth part, the number of workers getting rupees 65 or more than rupees 65 or more than but less than rupees 85, that is equal to rupees 65 or more than but less than 85. Less than 85, less than 85, that is equal to 72 minus more than rupees 65 or more than but less than 85, 35. That is equal to 12 minus 5 equal to 7, and 7 minus 3 is equal to 4. 47 answer. Given class interval is 50 to 55, 55 to 60, 60 to 65, 65 to 70, 70 to 75, 75 to 80, 80 to 85, and 85 to 90. Number of workers: 5, 20, 10, 10, 9, 6, 12, 8. Their sum, that is equal to 80. And mean value of class interval, that is 52.5, 57.5, 62.5, 67.5, 72.5, 77.5, 82.5, and 87.5. And product of Fi and Xi, that is 262.5, 1150, 625, 675.0, and 652.5, 465, 990, 700, and their sum equal to 500 and 5520 FIXI. And cumulative frequency is 5, 25, 35, 45, 54, 60, 72, and 80. First we find mean, that is FIXI upon summation Fi. 5520 divided by 80, we get 69. So first answer, mean equal to 69. And model class, maximum value class interval 55 to 60 is 20. So model class equal to 55 to 60. And below rupees 80, the number of workers getting weekly wages below rupees 80, that is equal to, below rupees 80 is equal to 60, and rupees 65 or more than but less than 85 equal to, but less than 85 is equal to 72, and rupees 65 or more than 65 equal to, corresponding value is equal to 35. So 72 minus 35, that is equal to 47 answer. Thank you.